I realised one of the reasons they weren't made public is because they're so expensive to obtain. There was a case in Hansard where one of the girls tried to obtain the transcripts and she was quoted like £7,000.
And this judge, Mr. Justice Rose, has told you that it's not in the public interest for this information to be released.
One of the people that acquired them was Katie Lem, who used those transcripts to make that incredible speech that she gave last week in the House of Commons. And Jess Phillips's response was that this information, we don't need the National Inquiry because this information is already public. However, some of the information that Katie raised in the Commons was from these transcripts. It's not been public before. So the idea that not getting them is not that it somehow harms the public interest when this information isn't available and has been raised in the Commons is, I think, ridiculous. It's ridiculous on its face.
Do you think there's a sense amongst politicians, and maybe some in the media as well, that some of these details are frankly just so harrowing, so grotesque, that it would be just easier not to know? They think, well, we know what the grooming gangs are now, we know it's appalling, we're hoping for an inquiry whether or not we get one, but actually just the details are just too difficult. Do you think that kind of deep human reason actually is underneath this denial of wanting to know?
I don't know why the decision makers haven't gone for it. I think it's a mistake on their part. I think they're hoping that it will go away.